channel for a home reset vlog. I'm going to be doing some stuff around the house to prepare for the week ahead, which when I was a teacher before I had Mila, I would use all of Sunday to have a really good reset to get ready for the week. So like all of the groceries, cleaning, meal prepping, just all of the things. But now that I'm not teaching and I'm home with Mila, I'm able to do smaller things throughout the week, and I do take like 2 days to reset and just do stuff that really prepares us for the week. So I'm going to be filming Sunday and Monday. Today's Monday, so I'll show you what I did yesterday, and I hope you enjoy. Washing all of our bedding is always on my Sunday to-do list. I'll get started in the morning, and by the evening everything will be washed and dried and ready to be put back on. And it's always such a great feeling to go to sleep on Sundays with fresh, clean bedding, and just a great way to start the week off. And then I'll also get started with washing all of our laundry, and I'll have it folded and put away on Mondays, which I used to really dread laundry, but I feel like I've gotten into a really good routine with keeping up with it and hasn't been such a dreaded chore anymore. And I also like to wash all of our throw blankets around the house when I reset for the week. I ended up washing these blankets the next day, but today I just wanted to give a quick tidy to the living room. Something that I like to do to reset our home is more of a deep clean of the kitchen. So I just start off with loading the dishwasher, but then I like to wipe down all of the appliances and the stovetop and wipe down the counters. Just more of a deeper clean than what I do during the week, because all the other days I'll just wash dishes and wipe down the countertops. And especially now that Mila has started eating solids, I'm making all of the foods that she's trying, and there's just a lot more dishes to keep up with throughout the week. So going at least that extra step with the kitchen makes me feel like we are reset for the week. I recently got some new cleaning products that I've been really wanting to try. I ordered a set of the Branch Basic Starter Kit. This is not sponsored or anything like that. I've just been really wanting to try some cleaning products that are more non-toxic and better overall. So I ordered the starter pack, and it came with a bottle for an all-purpose cleaner, bathroom cleaner, glass cleaner, hand soap, and laundry detergent. And it was really simple to set up. You just add some of the soap and some water to each bottle, especially since I'm constantly wiping down Mila's high chair and other spaces. I like that these are non-toxic products and they actually work really well, so I've been liking using them lately. And it's really hard to tell, but the stovetop needed a really good cleaning. It had some stuff stuck on there that's been really hard to take off, and like I said, scrubbing the appliances is definitely something that resets the kitchen for the week, because all the other days I just do a quick wipe down, so it needed this. I'm using the Scrub Daddy Power Paste and Eraser. You just add some water and it becomes a paste that cleans different surfaces, and I've been liking it for the stovetop, and then just wiping it off with a cloth and water, and then lastly the all-purpose cleaner, and it looked a lot better. Sometimes on reset days, I will clean the inside of the fridge. I'll take everything out and wipe it down, but today just wiping down the outside since I didn't have too much time, and then just finished off the kitchen with wiping down the countertops. And if it's your first time watching, I'm so happy that you're here. My name is Lorena and I love creating home decor content and the occasional cleaning video like today. My summer posting schedule has not been very consistent because I have honestly just been enjoying time with our baby Mila and trying to adjust to being a first-time mom. But now that I'm home with her full time and we're more into the groove of things lately, I'm excited to be more consistent with my content, and especially with the last half of the year and all of the fun fall and holiday videos to come, which I know it's early, but can't wait to start some fall videos soon. So if you are not already, I would love for you to subscribe so you don't miss any of the home decor and fall content to come. I finished off Sunday with vacuuming all of downstairs, and my sweet Batman still follows me everywhere. Also his sister Mila now, which is so cute. But now starting off the week on a Monday with some coffee, which by the way, I've been loving our Nespresso machine. I got it for Black Friday last year and I didn't start using it until this year, and I've been really enjoying this coffee. So starting the day off with a cup, and I'm going to sit down and meal plan for the week. So I like to do this either Sunday nights or Monday mornings. I will write down our menu for the week, which we don't always follow to a T, and we're pretty flexible, but it does give me a really good idea of what groceries I need to order. So I just plan out meals, and the recipes I get through like Pinterest or Instagram, and we have our go-tos that we really like, and then I'll make a list of groceries and I'll do an online pickup order, and then we get the groceries Monday morning. And I just set this menu on the side of the fridge so we can see what we're making, and then we are set for the week ahead. Okay, here is a grocery haul of what we got for this week. So these are frozen and they're chocolate covered strawberries, really good for a little dessert. And then some almond milk and oat milk. We do a lot of smoothies here for lunch, so these are great. Some eggs and some Greek yogurt. I've been loving doing a bowl of Greek yogurt with some watermelon and banana. And then some cottage cheese. I love adding it to my eggs in the morning for more protein. I did get the big one, but they gave me the small one. Some cottage cheese for a dinner recipe for this week. Some deli meat for sandwiches for lunch. And then I got a new coffee creamer that I've never tried, so hopefully that one's good. And then the Siete chips are my favorite. They're so good, kind of like a healthier chip, and they're really yummy. Some fruits and veggies. I've been making all of Mila's food, so she's going to try carrots this week. We have broccoli. The pineapple is for a dinner recipe for the week. Tomatoes, lemons, some calabacitas, sweet potato, avocados, asparagus for dinner. These are really good. We love making salmon burgers, so they're pretty yummy. And then this is for a lot of dinner recipes that we're going to do this week. These cookies are really good, also like cleaner ingredients, and they're really yummy. David loves doing yogurt with granola in the morning, so I got this one. And yeah, that's pretty much what we got for this week. So just gonna put all of this away. I also got some fresh flowers so I can set some on my island and little coffee bar. And I don't do this every week, but one of my favorite ways to reset our home is to put out some fresh flowers once everything is nice and clean. I think putting out fresh flowers is such a lovely way to make a home feel cozy and joyful, and just sets the mood to have a good week. I got these in the morning with our grocery run, and I'm just gonna set some out on the kitchen island and coffee station. And I still wanted them to look really summery, so I got a bunch of different flowers in bright colors and gonna quickly create some arrangements. really love how this turned out and that I had enough flowers to do 2 different arrangements. And that's everything for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed, maybe got some inspiration to do a reset in your homes this weekend. I love that I was able to do enough to feel very prepared for the week, but then also anything else that I have to do, I'll just get done throughout the week since I am home now with Mila. But I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you on my next one.